Wednesday, March 8th. No, Wednesday, March 11th. We are at a nice little nature preserve in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It's 10:08 a.m. And, of course, a little child wanted to go out in the park. Are you ready to come in? I think your feet are all wet. There you go. Did you get wet? Did you get wet? She gets so indignant when she gets wet. I told her it was raining. She could see that it was raining. But she already went out in the field by Walmart, and she just wanted to go out and sniff because a lot of people walk their dogs. Surrounding this area is a large complex, apartment complex. So a lot of people come out and walk their dogs, and so she likes to sniff. She likes to sniff where the doggies were, don't ya? Look, she has a personalized fan. Perfect USB fan. Which, of course, is not turned on right now. And which, of course, Mom did not turn on the light. Are you not going to let your picture be on the TV? Look. Psst. Look. Look, I see you in here. She doesn't care. Listen to the rhythm of the rain. I love it. Look at my child. Your head is all wet. Mom needs to dry you off. She doesn't seem to mind. I don't have the air conditioner on. It's right now pleasant in here. It's not too hot. It's comfy. But let's look at this preserve. Think she's got enough pillows? Pillows, blankets. She rearranges her little bed area any way she wants. We love to come here. In 1955, when we moved to Fort Lauderdale from Ohio, this is the way it looked. This whole area over here was just like this. Just like this. Beautiful. Natural. Well, there wasn't a fire hydrant there then. Trying to get the windshield wipers. There you go. We don't need them going that fast. See the tall trees. Royal palm. With a tree in front of it. You can't even see it. So we like to come here in the morning and have our breakfast. Of course, I got a chicken McBiscuit for the little child. Let's go this way through the raindrops. You can see there's the entrance. Little rail fence. This is about 2 city blocks big. Not real big. I don't know the history on it. Maybe a little piece of undeveloped land, or maybe it was willed to the city for a little bit of nature. And it is absolutely in downtown Fort Lauderdale. Now, I am going to be painting soon, and I plan to be painting in this beautiful surrounding. And I'm really excited about teaching everyone techniques so that then you can use my same techniques. Look at the sun. You can use my same techniques and paint and be happy with what you're painting, the designs that you paint. Create decorations for your home. Paint on your clothing. Have pretty designs on your clothing. You can paint on anything. There's paint for painting on wood, paper, plastic, fabric, cement, everything. And we're going to have a great time. I've been a teacher all of my life. Now I'm a van dweller with my 14-year-old Chihuahua and my 30-year-old cockatiel. It does not change the fact that I had a career in photography when I was younger, much younger. Does not change the fact that I was a teacher for 50 years. When you see someone living in their vehicle, whether it's by choice or by necessity, or you see someone sleeping on the street, you don't know what their life was like up to that point. You don't know their educational background. All you see is someone who's not living in a house. Maybe that person on the sidewalk is excruciatingly depressed. When you drive down the street and see all of the houses of your neighbors and of total strangers on a street that you didn't drive down before, all you see are the houses. You don't see the people inside. You don't know how many people are sitting inside their house experiencing excruciating depression. When you see the people on the street, they don't have a wall to cover them or to hide behind. They have no protection from the elements, from staring eyes, glaring eyes, questioning eyes, the spittle, the insults. They have nothing protecting them. What's the difference? They are fully exposed to anyone who looks at them. They are instantly judged for not being concealed behind the wall of a sticks and bricks place. Which one of you has the right to judge any one of them? Hasn't it been said, don't throw stones unless you've never done anything wrong? So those people wandering around on the street, fully exposed, nowhere to hide, they feel the stones hitting them. Whether the stones are thrown verbally, physically, or visually, you know that expression, looks can kill. Words can kill. Silence can kill. One of the big 10 is thou shalt not kill. And I'm pretty sure, maybe somebody can correct me, but I'm pretty sure that when you read the big 10 and it says thou shalt not kill, it doesn't say you should not kill by using a knife, you should not kill by using a gun, you should not kill by using your fists, you should not kill by using your feet, you should not kill by using your visual impact to harm someone, you shall not kill with words that shred a person's soul. Just says, don't kill by any means. Think about that. And think about it not only with the person living on the street. Think about it with your loved ones. When they annoy you, or when they do something that you so totally disagree with. Especially your children, young children, teenagers, young adults, and even older adults. How are you killing them? Are you killing them with your words? You're killing them with your actions? Coming home and finding their parent drunk or high or stoned, or that kills too. So don't forget that. Your actions can kill others without you ever touching them. Kills their soul, kills their mind, kills their ambition. Be kind. Be grateful for everything that you have. When you look at the trees, appreciate that while they are exhaling beautiful, fresh oxygen, you are inhaling it. And remember that as you exhale your carbon dioxide, they're inhaling it. I think that's right. Carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide? Dioxide, I think. Been a long time since I was in science class. But you guys know what I mean? Whatever we exhale, the plants inhale. And we inhale what they exhale. Be well. Enjoy your day. Count your blessings. If you can't see your blessings, search for them. May your day be beautifully well blessed.